But let's start with Pixel 9's new look, our biggest Pixel design progression in years. We have 4 new phones, including the gorgeous new Pixel 9 and the reimagined Pixel 9 Pro Fold. And we've heard from Pixel users that just because they want a Pro phone doesn't necessarily mean they want a big phone. So for the first time, you can choose between Pixel 9 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro XL without compromises. They have the same incredible display, sleek design, premium craftsmanship, processing power, and the same Pro Pixel camera. All of our new Pixel 9 phones feature a completely re-engineered, sculpted design that's not only stunning to look at, but optimized for feel in hand, compactness, and durability. Thanks to the luxurious metal frame with its seamless rounded corners and the scratch-resistant, flat Gorilla Glass Victus 2, the Pixel 9 phones are twice as durable as the previous generation to withstand the inevitable accidental drops. Pixel 9 has an even brighter Actua display, and the Pro models use our Super Actua displays. Both are the best and brightest displays in their classes. Underneath that bright display, there's a new ultrasonic sensor for fingerprint unlock that's now 50% faster. And as we always do, we've developed a diverse collection of striking colors. Let's take a look at the magic inside of our Pixel 9 phones. Across the full lineup, they have some serious horsepower, with hardware that's designed and tuned right here at Google to get the most out of our Gemini models. The new Google Tensor G4 chip, our 4th generation processor, is our fastest and most efficient yet. It's designed to improve everyday use cases. So web browsing, streaming on YouTube, taking a photo, and shooting a video are smoother, with less of a hit to your battery. We custom developed Tensor G4 working hand in hand with Google DeepMind. So the industry's top AI research team is collaborating directly on the silicon for Pixel and optimizing it for Google's latest advanced models, including our latest on-device model. Pixel 9 is the first phone to launch with Gemini Nano with multimodality, the most capable on-device AI model ever shipped on a phone. In fact, it's 3 times more capable and sophisticated than the Gemini Nano model we shipped just 9 months ago on Pixel 8 Pro. And even with this increase in size and complexity, the TPU in Tensor G4 can generate an industry-leading mobile output rate of up to 45 tokens per second. That's more than double Pixel 8's peak rate with Gemini Nano. We've also upgraded the memory across the entire Pixel 9 family, with 12 gigabytes of RAM for Pixel 9, and the Pro models come with 16 gigabytes. Put simply, Tensor, Gemini Nano, and your phone's memory work together so generative AI on Pixel is faster and more intelligent, and your phone will be able to keep up with future AI advances too. And amazingly, we've packed in all this AI goodness while improving thermals and battery performance. We're introducing a new vapor chamber in Pixel 9 Pro, a more advanced cooling technology to make sure your phone can maintain peak performance even when it's working hard for you. And thanks to optimizations across Tensor, AI, and software, Pixel 9 phones deliver significantly more battery life than last year's devices. The entire line of Pixel 9s are also the first Android phones to include our new satellite SOS, so you can contact emergency responders and share your location even without cellular service. It's the kind of feature we hope you never need, but it lets you go off the grid with the assurance that the grid is there if you need it. Satellite SOS will be available first in the US on Pixel 9 devices, regardless of your carrier plan. Now, all those Pixel enhancements are also coming to our most forward-looking, most versatile phone, Pixel 9 Pro Fold. It's the pinnacle of mobile computing, so let's check it out. It's noticeably thinner and lighter than our first-gen foldable. When it's folded, it has the same size display as Pixel 9 Pro and comparable thickness too. It feels and functions like a phone. Then you unfold it, and Pixel 9 Pro Fold becomes something else altogether. An 8-inch tablet with a big and bright Super Actua Flex display. It's the largest display on a phone, and it's 80% brighter than the first generation. This big screen gives you so much more surface area for entertainment, productivity, multitasking, and content creation. With Pixel 9 Pro Fold, you're getting the best of both worlds. An 8-inch tablet for power users that turns into a phone you can fit in your pocket or purse. And you're getting the same Tensor G4 and 16 gigabytes of RAM to power great new features that are just for foldables. The big, beautiful phone screen pairs with NFL Sunday Ticket from YouTube TV. Check out the cool multi-view experience. And with split screen, you can multitask across different apps at the same time. While you're watching the game, open up messages to talk some trash in the group chat. And wait till you see what the camera can do. We'll get there in a few minutes. The new Pixel 9 phones are the only smartphones in the world built specifically to connect you to Google's AI models, both in the data center and directly on your device. Nearly every experience is enhanced by Gemini, Android, Tensor, and the Google services you use every day. So let's get to some demos. Here's Alex to show you what Pixel 9 can do.
Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, and Pixel 9 Pro Fold take smartphone photography and video to completely new heights.
With an incredible range of Pixel exclusive features and a bold and beautiful new look, you're going to love the new lineup of Pixel devices. We've got Pixel 9, the powerfully sophisticated Google phone with an unbelievable upgraded camera, supercharged performance, and the latest AI features, like the new Gemini Assistant, Add Me, Pixel Screenshots, Pixel Studio, and so much more. Pixel 9 starts at $799. Pixel 9 Pro adds pro-level performance and speed with 16 gigabytes of RAM, meticulously crafted materials and finishes, the brilliant Super Actuo display, and the pro-grade camera with the best video quality on a smartphone. Pixel 9 Pro comes in two sizes, starting at $999. And finally, the reimagined Pixel 9 Pro Fold. It's thinner and lighter with the largest display on a phone and innovative features that you can only get on a foldable phone. Pixel 9 Pro Fold starts at $1799. The entire Pixel 9 family is available for pre-order today in the US, Japan, and Europe. Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro XL will begin shipping on August 22nd, with the rest of the phones starting to ship in September. So all three Pro phones come with 1 year of Gemini Advanced and 2 terabytes of cloud storage. It's a different kind of phone that could only be made by Google. We hope you love it.